most important thing as a man is to never look like a pussy in public, okay?
Now, some folk wonder, why work out? Iceman, why you lift weight? Iceman, why you hit punching bag a lot and do many pull-ups and bench press a lot of weight many times? Folk ask Iceman such all the time. So, 2 reasons, okay? Number 1, you never want to look like a pussy. Say men in front of your woman mock and tease or threaten. Yes, say they threaten. Now again, Iceman carry gun. Yes, just in case. But say you know you can beat up man. No need to use gun then. So, less liability and so forth. I take that back. Could be argumentative that case. So, I take that back. But, yes, never look like a pussy in public. Number 1 reason. Now, if you get big and strong, then men normally no mess with you. So, never get picked on, so forth. Big and strong. With women in public, men try not even look at your women. See, if you're big and strong. So men don't want to get beat up. But nonetheless, reason number 2 why we live. Well, good to get circulation. Men play a lot of video game. Iceman play Diablo. Yes. So, it's important to have good circulation, good heart. Yes. Now, we want this because erectile dysfunction. Want dick to get hard like steel. Want dick to go shing in like a matter of seconds if necessary. Not a bad thing as man. Bad thing to not get hard dick. So, we work out to look intimidating and to not look like pussy in public. And number 2 reason is to get hard dick. Okay? Now, this video is about the landmine. See this? This cheap version right here. Cheap version. Probably still work. So Iceman hook up and let you know. Now Rogue, good brand. Rogue, very good brand. So get Rogue if you insist on having this. And Iceman doesn't have Rogue, so Rogue want to send me item, landmine, Rogue, landmine. Iceman use that. And almost certainly say good thing about it. Yes, advertise, free advertisement. But Rogue more expensive, so landmine, yeah, you hook up right here. Yeah, and you pivot. So, let's go hook up and me show you where, over here, okay? Look. Okay, so here's Iceman's gym. I showed in video yesterday. So landmine attached right here. Okay. It attached right here. Okay. It attached right here. No panties. Okay. So here's the item that we use row with, and here's punching bag and bench press and other thing. But let's hook up now and Iceman show. Stay tuned. Okay, so Iceman hook cheap Rogue landmine alternative to dumbbell rack. And now look, see, so I can do row and very simple. It's quite sturdy. See, and here's the plywood for the rows. See that? So I think it's gonna reach and have this as a backdrop, so I won't be slamming the weight into the ground. We're about to find out. So I'm gonna take the weights off of this hog right here and hook it up. Okay, so I have item hooked up and it does reach. A little bit of wiggle. That shit. See? Little bigger wiggle. Yep. And we're gonna see how this thing holds. Hopefully that shit stays intact. Fuck, it's pretty weak. Yeah, quite sure the Rogue One isn't all wobbly and shit. But anyway, stay tuned. Let's do some rows and try this thing out. Alright, so this is fucking bullshit. The mat here it's not even. I need to angle it the other way or something because one foot is on the wooden sheet and the other foot is on the cement. So I'm gonna have to figure something out to do here. But anyway, this is how you basically do the rows, from my understanding. I ain't no fucking professional, but I'm just kind of getting used to this shit. Keep your back, I don't know, like this, and pull that shit up right here, right in your nuts. There you go, there you go. Now pull it toward your ticker, and you can also do one-armed rows like this. You know, so I mean, yeah, shit, this thing is really staying in here nice.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so yeah, the shit balance is just fine, man. And we're gonna come over here and try the goblet squat. So let me get that in the footage, all right? Let's do a goblet motherfucking squat. All right, so I haven't watched a single damn video on this, but I believe this is how you do a goblet squat. So that's another benefit of this. You can do squats with it. So check this out. You pick the thing up like this. You cup your hands around it. And you go down like this. 1. Yes. 2. Yes. 3. Yes. Yes. 4. Yes. 5. Yes. 6. Yes. Yes. 7. Yes. 8. 9. Now this pussy weight, but no problem. You know, do enough reps with pussy weight and get a good workout. So there you have it. Now I would like to compare it to the Rogue, but this shit, after like 5 minutes of use, it's still holding up. So maybe this is a good deal, I don't know. More videos to come on this, and I'll keep you guys updated how sustainable this cheap piece of shit really is. So like the damn video if you will, and hit the thumbs up button, and become a patron if you want. Peace be with you.